A lot of people stay away from trading because of all the technical terms like leverage, futures, margin, and liquidation. It can feel overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started. That is one reason why Delta Exchange introduced predict markets. Instead of learning complex trading strategies, predict markets keep things simple. Your job is to answer one straightforward question. Do you think price will go above a certain level? Do you think Ethereum will finish above or below a target price before the market expires? If you simply choose yes, you think the price will finish above a target, or no, you think the price will finish below a target. That's all. There is nothing to it. Another great thing is that you don't need any previous trading experience to get started. You don't have to spend weeks learning advanced trading concepts before you can predict. You can make a simple prediction based on where you think the market is heading to, or where you think you understand the market is getting to. Getting started is also quick and convenient. Predict market is available directly on your Delta Exchange app. Alright, so right here is your Delta Exchange app right here. If you've not watched the video on how to create your Delta Exchange app, you can check our channel. The videos will be tagged on this video right here. It will be on the link in the description below. Alright, so one feature that makes it even more accessible is the minimum entry amount. You can literally start your predict with just $1. Alright, like we just made a prediction right now. We just made a prediction on if BTC is going to go below a certain amount, and you can see right here we just made profit. Alright, we just made profit right here, and BTC actually went below the price we have predicted. Alright, so right here is simple. You can decide to use $1. That is the most sweetest part. You can use as low as $1. Alright, you can as low as $1 you can start your prediction. Alright, of course it's still important to remember that market prediction involves risk. Alright, it involves risk. There is no guarantee you'll be right every time, so it's always good to participate responsibly and only use money you are comfortable risking. Predict market is designed to make participating in the market easier to understand, especially as a new beginner trader. Alright, instead of dealing with complicated exchanges with hidden charges and fees on Delta Exchange and predict markets, you don't have to. There is no hidden fee at all, or any hidden rule. Alright, all you need to do is choose the pair you want to trade, either BTC or Ethereum. All you need to do, come to this section right here, predict and answer questions, either yes or no. Do you think this market is going to buy? If it's yes, you click on yes. Do you think this market is going to sell? If it's no, you click on no right here, and that's it. And in our previous videos we've also talked about you don't need any experience to get started on predict market right here on Delta Exchange. Alright, whether you're completely new into crypto or you've never placed a trade before, predict market is designed to be easy to understand. Alright, another feature that makes it accessible is that you can start with as little as $1. That means you don't need a large account to participate. You can explore how predict market works without committing a lot of money, unlike your normal trading where you need to have a certain amount of money before you can trade, or use a certain amount of leverage before you can be able to participate in that particular market. Alright, we'll also look about at the new market where the market refreshes every 15 minutes. Unlike your regular trading, you have to wait for your setup to pop up. It can take 1 week, it can take 1 month before your setup can pop up, but on predict market, every 15 minutes the market refreshes and gives you a new opportunity for you to actually participate. All right, and because Predit Market is available directly right here on your Data Exchange app and also on the website, you can access them in seconds without going through a separate sign up process. All right, so if you don't have an account with Data Exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. All right, now here is something worth knowing about Predit Market. All right, as part of the launch, Data Exchange is offering 0 trading fees on Predit Market for a limited time. All right, since its launch promotion, this offer won't be around forever, so it's good opportunity to explore the futures while the promotion is available. As always, remember that market prediction involves risks. Never participate with the money you cannot afford to lose. All right, for trade signals, you can check the link on our description where you can join our Telegram channel, because there we go live and also show you guys how to predict, and we also share trade insight and tips, and we give trade signals on how you can trade and also make money with us. All right, you can start with as low as $1. All right, you can start with as low as $1. All right, for example, let's say we are thinking that this market is going to buy and we want to sell. All I need to do is type in the amount right here. I'll type in $1. Now I've typed in $1 right here and I want to buy this market. I think this market is going to buy. I'll click on yes and you'll be seeing the amount of money I'll be making right here. I'll click on confirm, and right here you can see my order has been filled and it's already running in profit. Right now, if I decide to close profit, I can close it. All right, I can decide to book profit right here, and you can see right here I can decide to book profit. All right, so it's that simple. You don't have to stress yourself waiting for the whole day, the whole week or so. You can just make your prediction. Do you think this market is going to buy? If yes, you go ahead. All right, so right now I'm just going to book profit right here, and that's it. You click on this confirm icon right here if you want to book profit, and boom, your apps, and that's it. It's that simple. All right, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video.